Hey guys, it's Sierra, and today I'm here with Alex, and she's my best friend. Get your own best friend. Don't steal mine. I will kill you. Anyway, today I'm back with another not so funny video, and we are going to be reacting to funny, stupid, idiotic ringtones. So let's get to the video. Alex has the ringtones here for us, and we are going to be starting with. Here, she's taking too long. Hurry up! We're going to be starting with the ringtone Crazy Mexican.
Arriba, arriba, it's your telephone. Pick up, 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 pick up.
That's all you have to say.
It's your mobile phone. Arra, arra, arra. Hey, Juanita.
Well, Satan likes her spicy cracker now. Get over it.
Only nachos. Piquita, piquita, piquita.
Can someone give me some nachos? Okay, the next one we'll be reacting to is labeled farts.
I don't know why.
We're really childish, so get used to it. We looked at that ringtone like 5 times, and we were like on the floor laughing so hard we were crying, and now we're just like, we're good. Okay. The next ringtone is Batman on Drugs. Yes! Okay. Sorry. Voices. I'm kidding. That's not what they really said. Little, not laugh break, but still. The next ringtone, oh my god. Okay, the next ringtone is Mad Indian.
You bloody fucking phone is fucking ringing, bastard! Listen now, your bloody phone is telephone fucking ring. Bloody I'll pick your fucking phone up, you bastard motherfucking cunt. Your bloody telephone is bloody fucking ring, bastard. I'm fucking telling you, fucking sick and tired of this bloody fucking phone. I'm telling you, motherfucker, you pick your fucking phone up, you
Damn, okay. Someone got the sandal.
Crazy chicken.
We're gonna be listening to Crazy Chicken. Okay. Okay.
Okay then.
We're listening to Ta Ra Ra Ra. Yeah. Alvin is on drugs. Oh no! Alice is now going to torture us with her favorite pink fluffy fucking unicorns. Satan's gotta have a spicy craft in us. Thank God. As long as nothing comes out of my nose to make me laugh, I'm good. If anything does, I'm sorry. Sorry, not sorry, girl. even know for the next one. So we're doing everything.
I'm trying to find one.
You're too slow.
You find one then. Wake up or I kill you.
Remember that next time we have a sleepover.
Nigga, what the fuck?
Hello, wake up or I kill you. Hello, wake up or I kill you. Hello, wake up or I kill you.
Okay. I like it. Oh, that one.
Which one? Fat bottom girl.
Take me home tonight. Oh, down beside that red firelight. Oh, you gonna let it all hang out, fat bottom girls. You make the rockin' world go round.
Just kidding.
Oh, Fishing in the Dark's a good song. That one. Yes.
Pikachu ketchup song. Yeah. Oh god.
Pika, Pika. Pikachu, Pikachu, Pikachu. Pikachu, Pikachu, Pikachu. Pika, Pika, Pikachu, Pikachu. Pika, Pika, Pikachu, Pikachu. Pika, Pika, Pika,
Oh, that tastes just like hell.
Pika, Pika, Pika.
Bruh.
Okay.
Okay, so we are listening to one more ringtone, and that is Drug Dealer.
Hello, it's your drug dealer. I thought I'd call in case you needed anything at all. You know, you can always call me just to talk. But I mostly want to sell you drugs.
Yes.
Really, nigga? Drug dealer.
Okay then. Oh, okay, never mind. I lied. We have two more ringtones. First one is Asian Sister Calling, and the second one is Bitchness. So here's Asian Sister Calling.
Your sister calling. Oh, you talk to sister. So nice. Your sister love you. You love your sister. Talk to your sister on the phone. Talking to sister, making nice. She love you. You talk to sister.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
the second one is Bitchness.
Bitch alert. This is a bitch alert. There's a bitch on the other side of the phone. Do not pick it up. I repeat, do not pick up the phone. Bitch alert. This is a bitch alert. There's a bitch on the other side of the phone. Do not pick it up. I repeat, do not pick up the phone.
All around me are familiar faces.
Okay. So anyway, guys, that concludes our video, and we will see you next time.